How to make no one can comment on your posts on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can comment on your posts on TikTok now. First, open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner. After that, click the storylines and then click privacy, and here we'll find a comment and then click no one. And as you see now, no one can comment on your posts on TikTok now. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.